Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to make money online, but felt overwhelmed by all the techie stuff recording, editing, writing scripts, or even just getting started, then you're going to love what I'm about to share. Imagine being able to create professional, attention-grabbing videos that actually make you money, without ever picking up a camera or learning complicated software. That's exactly what Humanify lets you do. It's an AI-powered tool that takes all the hard work out of video creation, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and earning income. Here's why Humanify is such a game changer. First, it completely automates the video creation process. You just enter a keyword or a bit of text, and Humanify's AI instantly generates a full video for you, complete with a realistic voiceover and a script that's designed to engage your audience. No more staring at a blank page or worrying about what to say. The AI does it all, and it does it in over 50 languages, so you can reach people all over the world. But what really sets Humanify apart is how easy it is to use. You don't need any technical skills at all. The interface is super user-friendly, so even if you're brand new to video marketing, you'll be up and running in minutes. And because there's no need for expensive equipment or editing software, you save a ton of money right from the start. Speaking of saving money, Humanify is available for a simple one-time payment. That means no monthly fees, no hidden costs, just a single investment that gives you unlimited access. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk-free. Now, let's talk about results. Real users are seeing real profits. People like Son, who made his first $100 online just days after using Humanify. Or Mike, who had zero experience but started earning commissions almost immediately. And Peter, a social media influencer, who doubled his business growth while cutting his video production costs in half. These aren't just numbers, they're life-changing results that show what's possible when you have the right tool. And here's something really exciting. If you decide to pick up Humanify through my link, you'll get access to some awesome bonuses. These will help you get even more out of the platform. These extras are designed to boost your results and give you an even bigger edge, but they're only available for a limited time. So, if you're ready to start making money online with videos without the stress, the learning curve, or the upfront costs, Humanify is the tool you've been waiting for. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking for a new income stream, this is your chance to get ahead in the digital world. Don't miss out. Check out the link below to grab Humanify and claim your exclusive bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tools to help you succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello! In this demo video, I'll show you exactly how Humanify works. Humanify is the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL, article, PDF, document, blog, or keyword into Ultra HD stunning virtual human videos that dominate any platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. No camera needed, no recording, no editing required, and absolutely no API costs, monthly fees, or hassle. To get started, simply click on the Talking Video menu. Here you'll discover an array of breathtaking templates designed for instant creation of virtual human talking videos. For a full preview, just click Select Template. You'll also find our exceptional character talking template, ideal for creating vibrant Ultra HD character talking videos. And if you want to use your own celebrity, presenter, or unique character, simply use the custom upload option to transform them into virtual talking videos. For this demo, let's use the human talking template. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to set up your voice. You can generate a voice directly in Humanify or upload your own custom voice or audio speech. To generate your own voice, select a voice from our library, available in multiple languages, type your script manually, or leverage on AI to craft the entire script for you, all you need to input is your keyword and click on Generate. Want to convert content from your website, blog, online store, or any web page? Just paste the URL and Humanify will automatically fetch the content. You can also directly upload Microsoft Word documents or PDFs, and Humanify will quickly extract the content. You have lots of flexible options to work with. Once your script is ready, click Generate Voice and watch as Humanify instantly transforms your text into an incredibly lifelike human voice. Finally, to perfectly sync your video with the audio, click Generate Talking Video. And voila! Your virtual human talking video is now being generated. Ready to check it out?
Welcome. This is Humanify Demo Video, the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL, article, PDF.
Incredible, isn't it? Absolutely mind-blowing. This looks incredibly realistic, and you can easily download it with a single click. Awesome. Now let's create another stunning HD virtual human video, but this time in French. Here's how easy it is. Choose your desired template, select your preferred voice, input your text, or leverage any of our content options here. Click Generate Voice, and finally hit Generate Talking Video. The video's processing now. Ready? Let's check it out.
Une vidéo de démonstration de Humanify. Le premier moteur d'IA au monde qui transforme n'importe quel texte, URL, article, PDF, document, blog ou mot-clé.
Wow, look at that! A lifelike virtual human speaking flawlessly in French. Notice the emotion, energy, and perfect lip synchronization without compromising quality. Next up, let's make a captivating character talking video in Spanish. The process remains just as simple. Pick the character talking template you'd like, choose the voice that fits your style, enter your text, or let our AI generate compelling content using just a keyword. Click Generate Voice, then Generate Talking Video. And just like that, boom, your video is ready. Click play and watch the magic unfold.
Bebe mucha agua. Mantente hidratado y ayuda a acelerar tu metabolismo bebiendo al menos 8 vasos de agua al día. 2. Come alimentos frescos y naturales.
Outstanding! The video looks fantastic. You can always revisit your video history to access all your previously generated videos effortlessly. With Humanify, creating stunning virtual talking videos is a breeze. And these type of videos dominate any social platform instantly, pulling in thousands of daily views while generating passive income on complete autopilot. The best part? No API costs, no monthly fees, absolutely zero hassle. This is the only app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for any AI model. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside.